Hey, Katie Tibble here from Kitchen Stewardship and Kids Cook Real Food, and I've got to tell you, I've been experimenting with baking by weight, and I'm starting to think it might be the best way for kids. Now, we teach kids how to measure flour in our Kids Cook Real Food course, right? That they should let it fall like snow so measurements are accurate. We show how if you pack down the flour, you might get way too much, brick bread. But even when kids are being their most careful, there's still a lot of margin for error when measuring like this because of settling, humidity, and other items. Being precise is one reason I'm excited to continue to teach my kids to bake by weight. But I also thought of 3 more reasons weighing grains can help kids bake better. Number 1, there's less mess. With freshly ground flour, for sure, the flour with this mock mill goes right into the bowl, so kids don't even have to fiddle with it at all, right? There's no falling, there's no snowballing it flat, anything. Also, you can use bigger bowls, so there's less spilling. When weighing flour, kids don't have to worry about snowballing it flat, so they're just putting the flour into a nice big bowl, not measuring a cup that they're going to overfill and then fix. So like if you're measuring flour, you just put the whole bowl right on the scale, and it's really easy. Number 3, you only have to measure once, and you never have to mill any extra flour. Now this is for families with their own grain mill, like our mock mill, but it's so nice to just measure the whole grains into a bowl once, and then be done. A scale isn't expensive either, and it doesn't take up a lot of space to store. Also, you can emphasize math concepts through the measuring. Now, do kids still need to learn to measure properly with cups and spoons, no holes, no hills, all that stuff? You bet. It's a very important skill for anyone working with food, but using weight measurements is a pretty awesome tool to have in your cooking toolbox. I'm humble enough to admit that I'm just now learning how to do it as a mom of 4, but how cool that my kids will know it before they leave middle school. I love that. So let's explore baking by weight with our kids and see how it goes.